So last day, day 10, last night.
Yes.
Yes.
Done.
And done. And
Last juice.
What's the
last
first thing
juice.
you're gonna eat?
It's one of those raw burgers.
Look at this. The son's making burgers right here, and poor Mike can't eat those.
And I'm gonna make them with.
Okay, it's over.
It's
We're gonna
almost
go up
over.
and weigh in and be done.
Good morning, sunshine. Not too early. How are you feeling?
Yeah, what is the most noticeable, what is like the one thing that you go, wow, this is incredible?
Just the weight loss. I don't know. I mean, there's nothing that's really.
You feel clearer? Do you feel like there's a,
Definitely have a clear in my head.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I don't know why.
Well, your skin looks beautiful.
Does
and
it?
your eyes look bright. Yeah,
Oh,
your
good.
skin looks
Good, good.
great. Okay, cool. Let's have our first word.
And I think I can fly. Sunshine upon my face.
Day 11, and we're gonna step on the scale and see what I look like. The scale always takes 1 or 2 times to.
222. Oh my gosh. Two, 221.
Losing weight as we speak.
7 inches gone.
Oh, wow.
Off the
Nice.
body. Nice, huh?
I like it.
Yeah, cool.
I can't deny you.